Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth product reviews. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the ASUS ZenWiFi XD4 Plus AX1800 dual-band mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. We'll cover its features, specifications, and what sets it apart from the competition. So, if you're looking to upgrade your home network, stay tuned. ASUS ZenWiFi XD4 Plus is a powerful mesh Wi-Fi system designed to eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones in your home. It boasts whole home coverage of up to 4,800 square feet, making it perfect for large households. With support for over 25 devices and a wireless speed of 1,800 megabits per second, it ensures smooth and fast connectivity for all your devices. The dual-band design operates on 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, providing a reliable and efficient network. One standout feature is its unique antenna placement, ensuring strong Wi-Fi signal in every corner of your house. Setting up this system is a breeze with a 3-step process, and managing it is equally easy using the ASUS Router app. The ASUS ZenWiFi XD4 Plus includes a lifetime free internet security subscription powered by Trend Micro, protecting your connected devices from online threats. AI mesh compatibility allows you to expand your Wi-Fi network further by adding compatible routers, creating a flexible and powerful whole home Wi-Fi system. It can be wall-mounted or placed on a surface, thanks to the included hanging holes and screw pack. Frequency bands. It operates on the dual-band frequencies of 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Wireless communication standards. Supports 802.11n, 802.11 AX, and 802.11 AC, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. Security. Features WPS and Internet security to keep your network safe. Connectivity. Designed for personal computers and supports WPA3, WPA2 Enterprise, and WPA2 PSK security protocols. The ASUS ZenWiFi XD4 Plus is priced at $199.99 on Amazon. It includes a lifetime free internet security subscription and product support for added peace of mind. To sum it up, the ASUS ZenWiFi XD4 Plus AX1800 Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system offers exceptional coverage, speed, and security for your home network. Its unique features, ease of setup, and AI mesh compatibility make it a top choice for those looking to upgrade their Wi-Fi experience. If you're tired of Wi-Fi dead zones and slow connections, this product could be the solution you've been searching for. Don't forget to check the Amazon link in the description below to get more details and make your purchase. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more informative product reviews.